Before we do anything else, I always start with chocolate. Good cookies don't come from being careful. They come from being generous. The butter should be soft, not melted, not cold. When you treat it gently, it treats your cookies kindly too.
Sugar isn't just for sweetness. It's what gives cookies their comfort. Slow pours make better memories.
We mix until the butter turns light and fluffy. If your arm feels tired, that's how you know you're doing it right.
Now comes my favorite part. I add the chocolate slowly, so every cookie gets its fair share of happiness.
Flour brings everything together. Not all at once, just a little at a time. Rushing here only makes tough cookies. When the dough feels soft and listens to your spoon, you stop mixing. That's how cookies stay tender, not stubborn.
Now we let the dough rest. Good things need a pause sometimes. Even cookies behave better after waiting. I scoop them all the same size. That way no one argues later about who got the bigger cookie.
See how warm and golden they are? Some things still can't be rushed, and these cookies were worth every minute.